Hello everyone, I am Anil Misra. Today I want to present class 10th arithmetic progression. First, what is the arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is a sequence where the difference between two consecutive terms is constant. That means, in other words, we can say define. It is the sequence of number such that the difference is constant. For examples, 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. Here first number is 1 and second number is 4. Then common difference between two numbers 4 minus 1 is 3. 7 minus 4 equal to 3. 10 minus 7 equal to 3. 13 minus 10 equal to 3. Here the common difference between two consecutive terms is 3. That means constant. So it is the sequence of number such that the difference is constant. And second example for AP 2, 8, 14, 20, so that. Here first term is 2 and second term is 8. Then the common difference between two terms 8 minus 2 equal to 6 and 14 minus 8 equal to 6. 20 minus 14 equal to 6. Then the difference between two each term is 6. So this sequence is arithmetic progressions means AP. So first example is arithmetic progression, second is the AP because the common difference between two number is same. And second thing is the general form of AP. So general form of AP we can write that first term is the A and common difference is the small d. Then the general form of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. And suppose that we can find out the nth term of the numbers. Here a formula for nth term Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A equal to first term, n is the number of term and D is the common difference. Taking a question to solve it, find the 12th term for the given series 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 and 20. So A equal to 5 and common difference D equal to 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 equal to 3 and second common difference is 11 minus 8 equal to 3. 14 minus 11 equal to 3. That means the progression in AP, arithmetic progression, because the common difference is two number are same. So here find the 12th term. So A is 5, D is 3 and n is 12. So then we can use the formula nth term Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, and putting the value of A is 5 and n is 12. Then putting the value of D is 3. So then 5 plus 12 minus 1 into 3. 5 plus 12 minus 1 is 11 and 3. So then 5 plus 33 and T12 equal to 38. That means the 12th term of this series is 38. Means first term is 5, second is 8, third is 11, fourth is 14, fifth is 17, sixth is 20, and seventh term is next. Then T12 means 12th term is the 38. So then finally your answer is T12 is 38. I want to solve next questions. Suppose your question is show that the progressions below each and AP. The number is root 18, root 50, root 19. So first we can easy the numbers. You can write here 9 into 2 and write here 25 into 2 and 98 can be write here 49 into 2. Then 9 means 3 root 2 comma and 25 means 5 root 2 and this number is again 7 root 2. So we can check the common difference between two consecutive terms. If the difference between two terms is same or constant, this series is in AB. So first the common difference D equal to 5 root 2 minus 3 root 2. So then this number is 2 root 2. And second the common difference between two numbers D equal to next 7 root 2 minus 5 root 2. So then 7 root 2 minus 5 root 2 equal to 2 root 2. So here the common difference between two numbers And secondly, next example can be say, next example. Yes, so then use next thing is that find the fifth term in this given series in this AP. So fifth term you use the formula Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a equal to a is under root a is 3 root 2 and n is 5 minus 1 and common difference d is 2 root 2. So then your t fifth is 3 root 2 into 4 into 2 root 2. Then 4 2 are 8, 8 3 are 24, 24 into 2. Then your t fifth is 48. So as we know that first arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is the sequence where the difference between two consecutive terms which constant are same. For the examples these. And second is formula for nth term. Find the nth term. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. How to use this formula in the questions? This you can solve this type questions and second type questions so that the progressions below is an AP. So then solving this formula we will find the common difference between two numbers. Here the number common difference is 2 root 2. That means this series will be shown in arithmetic progressions. And find the next term. For the example is fifth term. Then Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we are putting the value and t fifth equal to 48. Okay, thanks.